Samsung Galaxy S24 series is going to launch on 17th January 2024, and everyone is so excited to try the new smartphone with groundbreaking technology. In our last video, we saw the hands-on images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. We all know that Samsung has been pushing boundaries to make the S24 Ultra the best smartphone of the year in every possible way, especially in the field of videography. The latest news surrounding the Galaxy S24 Ultra centers on its groundbreaking video recording capabilities. Today, we have a big leak from the tech insider Ice Universe, who shared insights on Weibo, unveiling the device's video recording interface. One noteworthy feature that the S24 Ultra is expected to provide is the option to switch between all cameras, including the front camera, while filming in 4K at 60 frames per second. This is a big step forward because it solves a constraint that users have been facing in earlier versions. One notable feature that helps to cement the Galaxy S24 Ultra's reputation is its support for up to 20x video recording. This allows users to effortlessly move between different optical zoom settings, increasing video capturing versatility. The S24 Ultra appears to be ready to meet the different needs of content creators and ardent videographers equally, whether zooming in on distant things or taking a wide-angle panorama. Aside from its video capabilities, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has an amazing camera configuration. The flagship smartphone is rumored to include a powerful 200-megapixel main camera with AI technology, as well as a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera. Users can expect superior flexibility in producing high-quality photographs and movies across different situations with optical zoom capabilities ranging from 2x, 3x, 5x, and an incredible 10x. Samsung remains dedicated to delivering an unmatched imaging experience through a range of potent lenses and advanced technology. With the release of the upcoming S24 Ultra, we shall be witnessing the next evolution in Samsung's mobile camera journey. With the latest leak about the S24 Ultra's capability to smoothly transition between all cameras while recording in 4K at 60 FPS, along with its support for 20x video recording, positions it as the king of smartphones. The phone will also have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, specially optimized for the S24 Ultra to handle AI tasks. What do you guys think of this latest leak? Are you a keen user of the camera? Do you think Samsung will be able to beat other flagships in the camera segment? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.